All right, let's do a little edumacating. From Sage Outcast, I have questions.
You've probably seen this equation quite a lot in the last few hours. It's got, by my count, 5 separate Greek letters in it, and it's what the US Trade Representative's office says it used to calculate reciprocal tariffs on the rest of the world. It looks very impressive because it's in Greek. Ultimately,
Definitely looks impressive.
I would suggest this is nonsense. They're going to divide the amount that a country exported to the US by the amount that the US exported back to them. So, for example, if you sell 70% more stuff to the US than the US sells to you, that comes to 70%, according to those Greek letters.
That makes sense. Makes sense.
That then becomes this number here in this also very famous chart now, which is described here as the average tariff charged to the US. That's not actually what it is.
Not what it is. Got it. Don't tell Mega.
It's not a measure of trade barriers, it's a measure of the trade gap between two countries, caused by whatever means. Now, to give you an idea of how ridiculous this is, let's take Bangladesh, which apparently has a 74% tariff on the US.
Damn you, Bangladesh!
What that actually means is that Bangladesh is a very poor country that can't afford to buy much stuff from the US, but that is very dependent on exports, which it's able to have some success in because its people are paid very little money.
Sorry, Bangladesh.
It's a measure of the imbalance in the trade relationship, not a measure of the trade barriers that Bangladesh is putting up. The reciprocal tariff against them is reciprocating against an imbalance of trade which is natural between poor and rich countries, not reciprocating against a trade barrier. There is a definition of reciprocal tariffs, which doesn't need Greek letters, which is very simply, you tariff us, we'll tariff you the same back.
Right.
If you have a 10% tariff on our light trucks, we'll have a 10% tariff on yours. That's not what this is. This is, returning to this, frankly, Greek, if not double Dutch.